Meanwhile.
That thing's clean, yo. It's like a Nardo. Well, it's a little bit darker than a Nardo gray, but I really like it. You know what I just realized I need in this car? I'm in a freaking fishbowl right now. I need tints. I mean, this window has a little bit of tint, but what is this? What? Oh, up here we got some tint, but it's like falling off, bro. But all right, gotta go to class. Peace.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I was at school and I was like, oh, what's something really cool that I can film today? And I thought of the coolest thing that I'm excited to do and I haven't done yet. But first we gotta do something that a lot of you commented last video, where like I said, we installed this nice racing steering wheel. We gotta put the Tome with a car that actually has a Tome. Now put this in the 300. Oh wait, where is it? Tome. Oof, oh my gosh, yes. Yes, look at that. In the interior, we got a Tome. And in the exterior, we got a Tome that's rattling right now. Oh my gosh. Who's doing this, bro? 370Z shift knob on a 300. Let's go, dude. I'm probably not gonna leave it like that, but as of now, I just love the new shift knob, honestly. I really wanted to wait so I could drive it a little more, but this shift knob is absolutely amazing in this car. It feels so good on the hand, like. The reason why I'm here so often is because sadly, as you guys know, my fuel tank is broken, so it only lets me put half of the tank. So instead of $50, I can only put like $25 at a time. So yeah, that explains a lot. This time let me put a little more, but still I can't even fill the tank, so. Alright, so obviously like every single one of my other videos sort of like this, we had to drive all the way to Mexico. That's why it took kind of long. I have had the car now tuned for like a couple months and I've never tried this feature. Like I've tried it, but I haven't tried it how I'm gonna try it today, which is why the feature's even made. So yeah, super hyped. And here's the car. Let me show you guys how to do it. It's actually really simple. Also, to be able to do this right here, your car has to be tuned, so yeah. So from what I heard, all you gotta do is foot all the way down on the clutch, put it in first gear. Look at that Tome shift knob, first gear, and then we just smash the brake. I mean, not the brake, not the brake, the accelerator. Like SpongeBob. That was kind of weak. That was kind of bad. Yeah, I feel like I have to launch it up there. I launched it like at 3,500, and I feel like that was way too little. We're gonna try that again, get a good launch in. Something's screaming really bad. What was that? We're good. All right, second time launching it. Hopefully we get it this time. Last time was kind of bad. And also guys, it's got a lot of like sand, so we are gonna spin. All right, 3, 2, 1, ready for takeoff. Down below, rate those launches from 1 to 10. I rate mine at -10. All right, so I just realized The launch control is turned on. Stupid. So try number 4, launch control off. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we got this. Alright, we got charging control off. We should be good. Come on, don't let us down. We got this, we got this. SpongeBob. Yeah, that was my fault, I guess. Launch control was off, so I mean on. That's why we didn't do a great job, but now we good. The strategy is we're gonna launch at, we were at like 4,000, 4,500. We're gonna try to get a good launch at 30 or at 3,000, 3,500. Hopefully we're good. Yeah, all we're gonna do is spin, man. That's literally all we're gonna do. And like I said, although I have, oh god, I heard something. Although I have 305s in the back, my car's still gonna spin because they're pretty, kind of, not really bald, but in a scale from 1 to bald, they're kind of bald. Let's try to do another one here. Charging control off. Let's go. That wasn't that bad. We're still spinning so much though. And on that one, I even tried letting go of the clutch and not like completely dump it, kind of just like slightly. And it's still spinning a lot, so I don't think we're gonna get a nice hook today, boys. I don't think so. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys my favorite type of launch control that this car has. It's called anti-lag. Sadly, this car isn't turboed, so it's not really, it doesn't really work how it should. But, ooh, look at that Subi, dude. Nice Subi, bro. Dang. Alright. Gonna show my, because why not? Skirt. So this is how it works. You basically gotta be above 3,000 RPMs. I'm going second gear because I don't want to go that fast. I just kind of want to show you guys. Yes, I'm that guy. And all you gotta do is, actually I forgot how to do it, damn it. Oh, wait, hold on, how do you do it? You gotta hold down the cancel as well as this one. And it just freaking takes off. I love it. It is so great. That one I've done it a bunch of times. I haven't in a while though. Actually, I haven't driven this car in a while, but that one is like by far my favorite, man. So it's basically like a brake boosting if you think about it. But there's no boost here, so it's kind of just braking. And yeah. So you're gonna be over 3,000 and then you go. Oh wait. Oh god. Wait, no. Did I break it? Wait. I don't want to make so much noise. Yo, it's not working. Hold on, what? There we go. That was weird. It's so fun, man. Although that was really fun and all, you guys want to know what my favorite part of this whole video was, and this whole like going out and having fun? Told me life. To all of you drag enthusiasts out there, what could have I done better? Obviously the first two or whatever, I had the charging control on, really stupid move. But then I took it off. I launched it at 3,000 around there. I didn't really dump the clutch. I guess I just gotta go slow with the clutch. Maybe that's gonna make it better or help me. But yeah, that was fun. That was actually really fun. I've never tried the launch control like that. I really like that. It kind of gives like a cooler feel instead of just like clutch in, rev, and then let go quick. It's kind of like wah, bam, 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 then you let go and then you wah. Although I complain a lot about the weather, today's been perfect. It's in the 60s, and check this view out. It's super cool. Check that out back there. Check that out. So I'm not gonna lie, Florida, You got me today. You got me. Can't complain. Can't complain. I'm gonna catch you guys later because I think I'm gonna go check out the paint for the 300. I've been avoiding seeing it through pictures and videos. I think I'm gonna stop by Lucas's shop. Maybe not. Either way, I can't bring you boys along. I can't do that to you guys. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Actually, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Just join the family. Like, it's pretty simple. Just click the button, bro. Have a beautiful day. I'll catch you guys later.